We are making chana sattu laddu. This laddu is made from roasted chana. For making these laddu we need chana sattu flour 1 cup, melted ghee 1/3 cup plus 1 and half tablespoon, half cup bura, green cardamom powder 1 and half teaspoon, chopped nuts 1/4 cup, coconut powder 1/4 cup. Heat a pan and add ghee. Then add sattu in it. Mix well. And roast sattu in a medium flame. Stir continuously and roast the sattu until it gets golden brown and start leaving nice aroma. When sattu is roasted, switch off the gas. Then transfer sattu flour in other plate. Let the sattu is completely cool down. When sattu is completely cooled down, then add green cardamom powder, chopped nuts, coconut powder, bura. Mix well. You can add bura according to your taste. Our laddu mixture is ready for making laddus. Take a small amount of mixture in hand and make laddus like this. One by one. Laddu is ready. If you don't have sattu flour, then you can grind roast chana to a fine powder. If you feel the laddu's mixture is dry, then add more ghee for proper binding.